Hello, so this is the Phet Pendulum Lab. In order to complete the laboratory, we're going to click on the Lab section here. And I'm just going to walk you through some of the features very quickly. In the bottom left-hand corner, you have ruler, stopwatch, but most importantly, you have period timer. This allows you to measure how much time it takes the pendulum to go back and forth. Now the energy graph is kind of interesting. You can take a look at the KE, PE, and the total, known as ME, as the pendulum swings back and forth. You can use one pendulum or two. You can stop the pendulum and you can pause it. If you want it to go really slow, you click right here. But this is the business end of what we're going to be using for the laboratory. You can change the length, and you can change it by big increments by grabbing the slider bar, or small increments by using the arrow keys. Same thing with the mass. You can change the mass by big increments with the slider bar, or smaller increments with the arrow key. Gravity, you can choose to put any gravity that you want, but for example, Earth is 9.81 meters per second squared, but I could choose the Moon, or Jupiter, or custom, where you set the gravity however you want, and you use the slider bar and the arrow keys to dial in what gravity that you would like. The last one on this is Planet X. This is the unknown. This is what we're kind of trying to find in this laboratory. The friction bar, you can add friction. I suggest you don't, because if you set no friction, the pendulum swings forever and ever, and you can measure the period. The last thing I want to point out is you can also measure angle, and if you pay attention right here, as I go, it tells me the angle that I'm dropping it at. So for example, if I want to release at 30 degrees, and the pendulum swings because there's no friction.